Hey, what's going on YouTube? Glad to be here as always. Well, we're going to look at how to check out your cycle count of your battery. This is going to be done on Windows as well as Mac, okay? So if you're doing it on Windows, you can do this on the command prompt or in the PowerShell. If you want to go ahead and do it with the command prompt, just go ahead and press your Windows plus the R button and go ahead and type in CMD and then press enter. Or if you want to go ahead and do it with the PowerShell, go ahead and press Windows plus X and you should get this little menu right here. Just go ahead and select that option right there where it says Windows PowerShell. Okay, in the PowerShell, you're going to go ahead and type in that command right there. powercfg space / battery report. And then just go ahead and press enter. Okay, now it's giving you an indicator of where that report went to. As you can see, it's in your C drive, users, your name, battery / report.html. So you can go ahead and close that right there. And let's go find that report. You go ahead and do Windows Explorer. And you go to the C drive, users. You find your name. And then it's going to be towards the bottom right there where it says battery report.html. You go ahead and select that, and right there it's going to see this is your battery report. This is how your battery is doing, so it's really important. Battery report, it'll give you a computer name, product name, the BIOS, the operating system, the platform. It's going to go ahead and give you a lot of information. I'm not going to go in depth as far as what all that information is because for every laptop it's going to be different. So you're going to want to go ahead and concentrate right here on the recent usage. If you see all of these numbers pretty close, then that means it's in pretty good shape. Right here, it's also going to go ahead and give you usage history. How long your computer has been on and whatnot. And right here as well, it's going to go ahead and give you a little more information. So that's the whole battery report right there. So it's really important for you to kind of keep track of that. That way you don't be surprised and all of a sudden your battery is just not charging quite well, and it's only lasting probably 10, 15, 20 minutes or so. Definitely want to keep track of that. So that's how you do it on Windows. Now we're gonna go ahead and how you do it in the Mac. Okay, now the way we're gonna go ahead and check our battery report in the Mac operating system, you go ahead and go right here into the upper left hand corner and click the little Apple symbol there, and then you're gonna want to go ahead and click about this Mac. And then after that, you're going to want to click System Report. And then over in the left hand side right here, you need to find Power. There you go, right there. Power. And since this is only an emulator for the Mac operating system, because I don't have Mac, I'm a Windows user, you're going to get something similar to this. So you're gonna get something similar to this right here. It's gonna have all the information, your serial number, manufacturer, if it's fully charging, if it's charging at the moment, the condition. You're gonna get something similar to that. You're gonna get the system power settings. So you're gonna get like a whole report of your battery. It's somewhat similar to what you're gonna get in the Windows operating system. This is what you're gonna get right here in the Mac. Okay, so that's about it for this one. Okay, so I will see you on the next tutorial. That's my time for this one right here. So go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.